Hello everyone, welcome back to the Clean Architecture series in .NET Core. In the last video, we have implement repository pattern in our project. Now in this video, we will use our repository in our controller. So let's move over to the VS Code and get started. Create a controller, product controller. Use action result. Create a private method. So our controller is completed. We call the repository. We can use primary constructor. So get the product, get by ID, and create, update, and delete. Perfect. So we now next we will move our we will test our controller with the postman. So just go to the terminal and build your project. .NET Watch. Now we need to test our controller in this port. Just open, copy this and open a web postman, create a new collection. Name is should be test, add request, get all, and then send. Oops, okay, sorry. API and the product. So it should be a same controller name and the row, match the row. So I use the API and after the controller. So just port number, API and controller name, and then send. So we've got the result. Okay, now add another one. Get by ID. Then for that, for single product, post, and just copy this body run. Okay, and then for done. Product code is done. Create a product, add another endpoint, which is should be the product put, and we need to write this, and then we put, and here again go to body raw material. Here update, and the ID should be 4. So we create a new product number 4, and now I'm going to update 4 to 4 no content, which we write here 204 no content. Once it's done, 204 no content, and send just get the all product, and you will see we updated the product. Now next is delete. Go to add 4 and going to be delete, and there should be that. Oh, what happened? Failed delete product. Let me check on a code. Get the product. If null not found. So it said that failed to delete because we did not call the delete method. So we just write here repository.delete product and save. Just stop the application. I think it's already saved. Let's see, because we run our application on watch command, .NET Watch. So just get the product, get all for product, and now delete. Need to, I think need to stop our application. Just Control C and again run. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not. So run the application. Now run application, and then again get the product code, controller, get that. Okay, get 3. Fine, our application is running. Now I want to delete number 4 product and send. 204 no content found, it means it's deleted. So just make sure get all product is total is 4, now 3. So that's it for this video. We have completed full CRUD operation using clean architecture and tested everything in Postman. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.